In this quick video, we will see how to stop our WhatsApp application from saving photos and videos to our gallery automatically. So if someone sends you a message in the conversation, and that photo or video saves to your photo gallery or camera roll automatically, and it takes up your storage space, then let's see how to disable this feature and stop WhatsApp from doing that. The process is similar for your iPhone devices as well as Android. So if you are using your Android device, just follow my steps. We'll open our WhatsApp application, then I'll tap on my settings section right here. If you are on your Android device, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and select the settings option from the menu. Once we get to our settings page in WhatsApp, we will open the chats section and we'll see a couple of different settings for our WhatsApp conversations or chats. If you are an iPhone user, you want to disable or turn off this Save to Camera Roll option, and this way, our photos and videos won't save automatically to our camera roll on iPhone. So if you want to save a specific photo or video, you will have to do that manually. If you are an Android user, you should see an option that's called Media Visibility, so turn that option off. When you do this, WhatsApp will stop saving photos and videos to your photo gallery on both your iOS device as well as your Android. And that's about it, guys. If you want more similar WhatsApp tutorial videos, make sure to check out the WhatsApp playlist from the description down below, and I will see you in the next tutorial.